Do you ever wake up in the morning and think, but how can I use this day to become better? How can I grow in my English? And in my life? Today I will show you how your daily routine can become your most powerful teacher. Every action you take, every word you say, can help you move closer to fluency. But stay with me till the end, because today you will not only learn English, you will learn how to live your best day with purpose. Welcome to A1 English Podcast, for your daily place for English learning and motivation. I'm so happy you are here today. Why? Because in this lesson we are going to talk about your daily routine. How you can describe your day in English? And how to turn simple actions like waking up, eating breakfast, going to school or work, into English practice that feels natural. By the end of this video, you will be able to share your daily routine in English with confidence. And more importantly, you will feel inspired to create better habits in your real life. So stay with me until the very end. That's because I have a motivational message waiting for you. That's a message that will push you to never waste another day. Yes, your daily routine is powerful. Because it is something you live every day. When you learn how to describe it in English, yes, you can practice speaking anywhere. At any time. And remember, success in English is not about big one-time actions. It is about small daily habits. So today I will give you 7 steps of a powerful English daily routine. And with each step you will learn real sentences. Repeat after me. Shadow my voice, guide, and let the words live inside you. When you open your eyes in the morning, do not just think, another day. Instead think, this is my chance to grow. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed. I make my bed. I feel grateful for a new day. I feel grateful for a new day. Excellent. You are doing great. When you say these sentences every day, you train both your English and your mind to be ready for success. Food is not just for the body, it is for the soul. Starting your day with breakfast can also be your English practice time. I eat breakfast at the table. I eat breakfast at the table. I drink a cup of tea. I drink a cup of tea. I prepare my mind for a good day. I prepare my mind for a good day. Fantastic. Remember, every bite can be connected to gratitude, and every word you say can become English practice. Most of us leave home in the morning. We go to school, to work, or somewhere else. Let's practice sentences you can use. I go to work by bus. I go to work by bus. I walk to school every day. I walk to school every day. I enjoy listening to English on the way. I enjoy listening to English on the way now. See. Even your travel time can become learning time. Do not waste it. Make it useful. Your main activity in the day is important, and because it builds your future. Whether it is study, job, or building a skill, discipline is the key. I study English every day. I study English every day. Wait, I work hard at my job. Yeah, I work hard at my job. I stay focused on my goals. I stay focused on my goals. Excellent. You are repeating with energy. Keep going. I'm in the middle of the day. Take a pause. Busy, but never lose your focus. Let's practice some easy sentences for lunchtime. Might I eat lunch with my friends? I eat lunch with my friends. I take a short rest. So, I take a short rest. B, I feel thankful for my food. I feel thankful for my food. C, even a simple meal can become an opportunity for learning. Yes, evening is the time to reflect, to improve yourself, and to spend time with people you love. I go for a walk in the evening. I go for a walk in the evening, say. I spend time with my family. I spend time with my family. I learn something new every day. I learn something new every day. Amazing. Remember, every evening is a chance to grow, and not just to waste time. The way you finish your day decides how you start the next day. So end your day with peace, gratitude, and English practice. I write about my day in my notebook. I write about my day in my notebook. I feel proud of my effort today. I feel proud of my effort today. I go to bed early and sleep well. I go to bed early and sleep well. Excellent. You have completed the full routine with me. Remember, every small action in your day can either push you forward or hold you back. If you use your routine wisely, if you speak these sentences daily, you will grow in English and in life. Do not wait for the perfect time. Because the perfect time is now. Congratulations, 8. You have just learned how to talk about your daily routine in English. This, and more importantly, you have learned how to make your routine a source of motivation every single day. Remember, practice these sentences every morning, every evening. One until they become natural. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video. I'll share it with your friends. And then subscribe to the channel. This is A1 English Podcast, or your daily place for English learning and motivation. I believe in you. I know you can grow. And I will see you in the next lesson.